Hi, my name is Miss Jane. Welcome to LIT English. Today we're going to be talking about the words some versus any. Some or any are words that we use to talk about quantities, but not exact quantities. We usually use them with non-countable nouns, but they can also be used with countable nouns. So we use them with words like rice, with flour, with sugar, with money. But how do you know which one to use? Do I use some or do I use any? Which one of these questions is correct? Do you need some water? Do you need any water? Which one sounds correct to you? If you said both, you are correct. Do you need some water? Do you need any water? Both of those sentences are correct. Let me give you another question. Which one of these sentences is correct? I need some water. I need any water. Which one sounds better? If you said I need some water, you are correct. We can't say I need any water. But you might be asking yourself, in the first set of questions, we could use both, some or any. But in the second questions, we could only use some. Why? Well, this is very easy peasy, and I'm going to show you how to do it. There's some things that we need to understand first, and the first step is to know the difference between a statement and a question. Remember, statements end in a period. Look at this example. There are cars in the parking lot. Notice a period. So this is a statement. Questions, on the other hand, end in a question mark. Look at this sentence. Are there cars in the parking lot? It ends with a question mark, so therefore it is a question. Both of these are sentences, but this is a statement and this is a question. The second thing that we need to look at is the statement negative or is the statement positive? A negative statement contains the word not. For example, there aren't cars in the parking lot. Aren't is a contraction that uses the verb are with not. Anytime the word not appears in a sentence, it is a negative statement. So conversely, if the word does not contain the word not, it is a positive statement. Look at this example. There are cars in the parking lot. It's a statement because it ends with a period, but there's no word not. Easy peasy. Okay, last step. In this chart, you can see if it is a positive statement, it ends with a period, and there's not a word not in the statement, we only use the word some. If it's a negative statement, if the statement does contain the word not, we only use any. But if it's a question, we can use some or any. It's your choice. Both are correct. Here's some examples. I have some apples. It's a statement because it ends with a period, and we use some because it is a positive statement. I don't have any apples. It's a statement because it ends with a period, but it does contain the word not, so it is a negative statement and we can only use any. But both of these, do you have some apples? Question. Do you have any apples? Both of those are correct and it's your choice. So now that you know how these work, let's see if you can use them in a quiz. Here are some exercises for you to practice. Today I saw some or any birds flying around my house. Let's see. It's a statement. There's no not in the statement, so it is a positive statement and we use the word some. Do you have some, any flour I could borrow? It's a question, so therefore we can use some or any. I don't have some, any homework this weekend. It's a negative statement because there's the word not and it ends with a period, so we can only use any. You don't have to do any of the exercises above. Do you have some questions for me? Do you have any questions for me?
Thank you for watching this ESL video lesson. I hope you found it useful. Be sure to hit subscribe and the bell icon to get the latest videos from the Learning Institute of Texas. And if you think you might come to the United States to learn English, please consider the Learning Institute of Texas. Our website is below, and thanks again. Bye-bye.